customer has a dream. Okay, I want to have certain formulation which will provide certain attributes.
They have a vision of what their product is going to do. We listen to them.
We develop certain formulations which were not possible before.
We will only produce it for them. And all of the attributes are as they would demand it.
By using our science, by using our experience to put different ingredients together.
How the product looks, how does it smell, how does it feel to the skin.
And how they can be put together is an art.
It's science-based, but the result of putting ingredients together scientifically, it has to produce a work of art.
That's where the artistry comes into play, and you create a wonderful product.
Our focus is absolutely to make sure that the product that we produce is premium, is quality.
Provided our customer quality products. That's I'm very proud of.
A customer needs to be assured that their vision can be translated into reality.
We start that relationship with the trust, and we start that partnership up front.
They need to feel that they have full involvement in this process.
So they can trust us, they can work with us, and they feel comfortable working with that.
Collaboration, communication.
We want to see what their dream is. Then we are here to fulfill their dream.
When they come to us demanding that, we feel that we are in the right spot. Now we can deliver.
You learn and you experiment, you learn from your experience.
We can have a customer that says, okay, here's my idea, here's my concept, can you do it?
You have to have knowledge of the skin, as well as you have to know how product behaves.
I want this certain fragrance, to make my product unique.
That's how you create a formulation in the lab.
The chemists are very important to us. They're actually the drivers of our business.
We all work as a team. That's why our output is really good.
With R&D, they'll say, okay, here's our formula, and we will identify the formulas, and I would go out and source the suppliers for these ingredients.
Based on the new raw materials, that's where we can expand our technology.
New raw materials comes almost every day.
To make good formulations, we have right equipment in the lab, and also we have a centrifuge over there where we can do the centrifuge test.
Working with really good products that are stable, that'll stay on the shelf as required.
We start making only 500 gram batch and maybe up to 2 or 3 kilos. We make the larger batch here and rest will go in production. So that is always challenging.
Now, pilot batching is always overseen by our research and development personnel, which is the chemist who originally conceived of the idea and produced the original sample.
Because we are custom manufacturing, we can a customer can come and say, well, can you make only 1,000 units or 5,000 units?
The batch size is usually determined by the chemist. It could be a smaller batch just to see if everything works in larger scale.
These are the measures we take to give a quality product.
Bringing all those ingredients together into a beaker.
On top of that, I have a very good R&D team, which I am proud of, so we can develop good products.
Everything is quality focused. The goal is to come up with a process that produces this product every single time, consistently.
We are a custom contract manufacturer, and we do batches anywhere from 40 to 4,000 kilos.
It's very tricky. It's like art and science combining together.
We make sure that we can produce the product at a higher scale.
Now we have to make this product in large quantity. In production, we make from 40 kilogram to 4,000 kilogram.
Manufacturing data adds transparency to the manufacturing process.
At every step, product's life cycle, everything is documented, fully documented and traceable, from product receiving of the product to release of the product.
Every aspect of this business is guided by quality, and these guidelines have to comply with FDA's.
So we are fully GMP compliant facility.
cGMP is current good manufacturing practices.
The challenge is how to scale it up. That's why we have 3 pre-production batches.
Using multiple mixers, multiple pumps, multiple production vessels.
Taking a very small batch, like 1 kilogram product, and making successfully to this like 4,000 batch size.
We can make sure that the higher standards of manufacturing are adhered to.
What we are trying to achieve is to improve the quality of our all products to highest level.
Quality is measured at inspection of raw materials. It's measured at the end of bulk production. It's measured at the end of the final goods production.
You commit to the customer, and you commit to the customer highest quality, and then deliver it.
Say what you do what you say.
And we make it happen.